Hi students, let's study the poem The Night Mail by W.H. Auden. There's an interesting story behind the origin of this poem. The Postal Department of UK had made a documentary on a night mail train which was LMS Postal Special Express, which carried various things from London in England to Glasgow, which is in Scotland. Now England, Scotland, Wales, they are all a part of the Great Britain. And that, along with Northern Ireland, forms the United Kingdom. You must be knowing all this because you studied geography whole week. So at the end of the documentary, Auden thought that they should add a poem describing the night mail, which would be a good touch to the film. That's why the poem was created. In this poem, the night mail has been personified. That is, it has been given human qualities. It carries various letters, checks, postal orders, bills. It does not have any passengers. That's why it's called the mail train. Now while it chugs along on the tracks, we learn some values from it. We learn that we should be committed to our duty. Because this train works every single week, the whole year round, rain or shine, under any circumstances, it will do its duty. Now it's understandable, it's a non-living thing, but it is inspiring. It motivates us to be perseverant, to continuously do our duty. It also teaches us time management skills. You can imagine it has a fixed schedule. It has to reach each station at a particular time and then depart in time. It travels through various cotton fields, hills. In fact, when we go from England to Scotland, we have to cross some hills which form like a boundary between the two countries. Then it has to travel grassy fields. And finally, when we enter Scotland, then the greenery vanishes and it is replaced by industries, factories, urban civilization. It doesn't really disturb anybody while doing its work. Only the birds wake up because of the sound at night. People living near the tracks, they are used to this sound, hence they don't wake up. Even the sheepdogs, which are used to herd the sheep, even they know that there's nothing they can do to stop the train. No amount of barking will alter their course. So even they continue sleeping at night. Nobody wakes up. The letters that they carry, they show various facets of human interaction, various aspects of human nature and relationships. Because they contain receipts, invitations, applications, love letters, gossip, financial news. And that too written in different styles. Some are long, some are short. Some have good news, some have bad news. Some are typed, some have doodles in the margin. And they are written on different colored papers. So different hues. This is a reflection of our society. People have different nature and different characters. But one thing is common among all of them. No one is an island. We cannot live alone whole life. We need communication. See, this poem was written almost a century ago. Today we hardly write letters to each other, but the human need to connect with each other still remains the same. Although now we connect through other means like social media and emails. So once it reaches Scotland in the morning, that is dawn, and it travels through cities and it delivers its mail to various cities like Glasgow, Edinburgh and Aberdeen. The people in those cities, they wake up and go about their daily business and they have a hope that perhaps the postman would knock at their doors and deliver letters. For that moment, their heart beats a little faster. Because there's somebody out there, maybe in France, maybe in England or somewhere else, who remembers them, who wants to share their experiences with them. No matter how good or bad those experiences may be. So these people, at night they were dreaming about monsters and tea. But when they wake up, they do hope that some letter is delivered to them because no one wants to be forgotten. Hi students, this is AJ sir. If you like this video, press the like button. If you would like to enroll for my online test series or online lectures, email me or message me on Instagram. Check the description for more information.